In this video, I will be showing you guys how to private any TikTok account. Now, this trick work for both Android and iPhone devices. If you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by opening your TikTok app. Now, once your app is open, all you have to do is just click on your profile section. So you can see it in here. So once you click on your profile section, all you have to do, click on the three dot icon at the top and then select settings. Then once you are in here, select privacy and then turn on private account. So once you turn this on, just go back to your profile page and then refresh it. So if it's actually successful, you are going to see this lock icon at the side of your username. So if you are to see that icon, it means that it was actually successful. So this is the easiest way for you to actually private your TikTok account on your Android and your iPhone devices. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.